In this lecture, we are going to study about the SNMP protocol. SNMP protocol is belongs to the application layer protocol of the TCP/IP model. In application layer protocol, as you all know, that different kinds of application is being performed, like emailing, like file transfer, and so many things. In order to handle the email related applications, we need a protocol that is called SNMP. So SNMP is basically a kind of protocol which is used to handle the simple network management activities of the network. If you basically want to handle the simple network management related activities, then SNMP is needed. And it is a kind of framework for managing devices in an internet using the TCP/IP protocol suite. And it provides a set of fundamental operations for monitoring and maintaining the internet. Like in a larger network, you need some kind of protocol that work as a manager, that work as a management. So it is basically a kind of protocol which handles all the management, all the monitoring activities in the internet. It works in this manner: manager and the agent. Agent is the kind of system which is a client machine, and all the activities is managed by the manager, that is SNMP. SNMP is a protocol that handle it with the help of SMI and MIB. Now, SNMP define the format of the packet exchange between a manager and an agent. Whatever the communication that is being performed between the manager and between the agent is basically represented with the help of some values, that is called the status, and with the help of some objects in the SNMP packets. In this particular diagram, SMI is a thing that define the general rules for naming the objects, defining the objects type, showing how to input the objects and values. SMI does not define the number of objects an entity should manage, or the name of the object to be managed, or define the association between the objects and their values. Now, if you want to manage something, then you need to store some status information. You need to store some values information related with the agent and the SNMP managers. The MIB in SNMP is create a collection of named objects, their types, and their relationship to each other in an entity to be managed. Whatever thing we are going to manage in the SNMP, it is handled by the MIB. Thanks.